Hello.
Hi there.
How are you today?
I am very good, thank you.
That is nice to hear.
How are you?
I am happy because it is Friday.
Yes, the weekend starts tomorrow.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I have many plans.
What are you doing on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I am going to the park.
The park is a lovely place.
I like to walk in the fresh air.
Do you go to the park alone?
No, I am going with my sister.
That sounds very fun.
What about you?
On Saturday morning, I am staying at home.
Are you going to sleep late?
Yes, I want to rest.
Resting is important.
Then I am going to clean my house.
Is your house messy?
A little bit. I need to wash the dishes.
I understand. I usually clean on Sundays.
What are you doing on Saturday afternoon?
I'm going to a small cafe.
Do you like coffee?
I love coffee and cake.
Which cafe is it?
It is the cafe near the library.
Oh, I know that place. It is very quiet.
Yes, I want to read my book there.
What book are you reading?
I am reading a story about a cat.
That sounds cute. What are you doing on Saturday afternoon? I am going to the gym.
You are very healthy.
I try to exercise every week.
How long do you stay at the gym?
I stay for 1 hour.
That is good.
After the gym, I am meeting a friend.
Where are you meeting?
We are meeting at the cinema.
Are you going to watch a movie?
Yes, we are watching a new action movie.
I like movies, but I prefer comedies.
Comedies are great too.
What about Saturday night?
On Saturday night, I'm cooking dinner.
What are you cooking?
I am making pasta with tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious.
It is a very simple recipe.
I like pasta very much.
Do you have plans for Saturday night?
I am watching a movie at home with my family.
That is a nice way to spend the evening.
We are eating popcorn and relaxing.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about Sunday.
Sunday is my favorite day
Why is that?
because I visit my grandmother.
Where does she live?
She lives in a small house in the country.
Is it far from here?
It takes 1 hour by car.
Do you have lunch with her?
Yes, she always cooks a big lunch.
What does she cook?
She usually cooks chicken and vegetables.
That sounds very healthy and tasty.
Yes, her food is the best.
What are you doing on Sunday afternoon?
After lunch, we walk in her garden.
Does she have flowers?
Yes, she has many beautiful red flowers.
I like gardens. They are peaceful.
What are your plans for Sunday?
On Sunday morning, I am going to the supermarket.
Do you need to buy food?
Yes, I need fruit, milk, and bread.
Do you like shopping?
No, I think it is a bit boring.
I agree. I like to finish quickly.
Then, on Sunday afternoon, I am playing football.
Do you play in a team?
Yes, I play with my friends at the school.
Are you a good player?
I'm okay. I just play for fun.
Fun is the most important thing.
What time do you come home on Sunday?
I come home at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Are you tired then?
Yes, a little bit.
What do you do Sunday night?
I prepare my clothes for Monday.
That is very organized of you.
I don't like to be in a hurry in the morning.
I should do that too.
It helps a lot.
Then I listen to some music and go to bed early.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Me too. I need 8 hours of sleep.
Sleep is good for the brain.
It sounds like we both have busy weekends.
Yes, but they sound very happy.
I hope you enjoy your pasta on Saturday.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy the park.
Thank you very much.
Have a great weekend.
You too. See you on Monday.
See you on Monday. Goodbye.
Goodbye.